Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Devashmita and today I'm finally going to share my Hive India offline audition journey and online audition also, because lots of you have seen my videos and you have been asking that if I got selected or not, if I have passed the first round or not. So I'm discussing all of them. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to tell you about my Hive India offline audition which was happening in Kolkata. So in the morning of 19 July, I boarded my train to Kolkata and then I reached there at afternoon, and then I spent my rest of the day in my grandmother's house. And then next day on 20 July in the morning, I woke up early and at 6 a.m. and then I got ready and packed my stuffs and practiced a little for my audition also. And then we headed to the venue, and it was a very beautiful weather that day because it was raining. And I was with my brother was going with me as a guardian, and he was there with me. So we headed to the venue, and it was like we reached there around 8:30 to 8:45. And then when we reached to the venue, the staff said that you can't enter the venue, like the hotel, right now before 9 a.m, so you have to wait outside. So me and my brother was waiting outside, and it was almost like 8:55 we were waiting. And then the crowd was getting more and more, the like more participants were coming. There was lots of girls who were like, they were so beautiful and they were looking absolutely stunning. And I was thinking that, oh my god, there are so many competitions I have. So yeah, then it was 9 a.m and we were told that you can enter. So we gave our bags and all to check, and then we were told that you have to show your QR codes before entering the venue. So we showed our QR codes there, and then they told us that you can go. And then we entered the venue. So when we entered the venue, the hotel was so beautiful. And then one staff came, she was a lady, and she told us that you have to go upstairs. There was the registration is going. So we went upstairs, and then I saw there was a corridor. Okay, so there was a big line of people. They were standing there. So there were many staffs sitting there. They were checking that your QR codes and your ID proofs. And then they were giving you a sticker, like a number plate. What is it? Like the participant number. So mine was 040. So I was the 40th participant there. So when I got my participant number, we were told that you have to sit on a different room where all the participants were sitting. And then they gave us a QR code that you have to scan it, and you have to give your audio links there. So when I was submitting my audio link, I got in some small trouble that my audio link was not getting shared. So then a sweet lady, she was very kind, and she helped me with her own phone. And she shared my, like, she submitted my song with her own phone, and then it was all done. So after submitting the audio links, we were waiting for our turns. And then one staff came, and she said that you have to be in a group of 10. And then she instructed us, and we went upstairs where the audition was happening. And then we were divided into two more groups. That one, in one group there was 5 girls, and in one group there was 5 girls. So there was two room. That in one room there was the CEO of the Hive India, and in other room there was a Korean lady who was judging everyone. But unfortunately, I didn't got the chance to be in the room where the CEO of Hive India was present. But the Korean lady was also very sweet, and she was very kind. Then we entered the room, and we saw there was no stage or something like that. It was like a conference room with all the carpet flooring. And then we continued our audition. She asked everyone that you are ready or not. So there was two contestants who were in a vocal category, and three of us were in a dance category. So I was the last participant there. So before my turn, there was also a contestant who was performing, and she was in a dance category. So her song was played through the music, like the speaker. And when it was my turn, my bad luck that my song was not played on the speaker, and it was just playing on this laptop. And since my choreo, like my dance, was very fast and powerful, and I was literally nervous. I was so nervous that after some time the judge asked me that, are you ready or not? So I said, yeah, I'm ready. And then she suddenly started the music, and I was ready to perform. And after some second of performing, I realized that my song was not played on the speaker. So still I gave my best there. So after my performance, the judge asked all the three of us who were in a dance category that, have you prepared any kind of song to sing here right now? So we were like, yeah, we have prepared something. So then before my turn, there were two contestants, and they went forward and they sang a song. And then it was my turn, so I went forward. And one thing I forgot to tell, that they were recording everything on an iPhone, and there was a tripod and in a desk. So I started to sing, and in the middle of the song, my voice started to shake because already I did a very powerful dance, and I was nervous, literally very nervous, and my voice started to shake very badly, and obviously it was not my best take there. So yeah, this is what happened there, and then we were told that okay, you can go right now. So after our performance was done, we were told to go downstairs where our parents were waiting because we can leave the venue now because your auditions are already done and more participants are coming. So before leaving, I met so many girls there, and they were so sweet and they were so beautiful, and they were encouraging each other that you can do it and like that. And I made one friend also, and she was very sweet. But before leaving, the Hive India organized something for the participants also, because they were distributing freebies from the Shin Ramyun. Only if you follow their Instagram page, you will get one freebies. So I did, and my brother also followed. So we got two freebies from the Hive India. So that was one memorable thing I got from the venue, from the Hive India, and I was happy for that. After that, we left the venue, and this is how my Hive India offline audition came to an end. But this is not the end. Lots of you have been asking me about my online audition also, which I gave, and you all gave so much love on that video. And that video became my first video on YouTube, which crossed 2 lakh views in such a short time. And you gave so much support, so love that it was insane. But it was a great experience for me because it was my first time giving a K-pop audition, and obviously this is not the end of my journey. I will work hard, I will improve myself, and I will do great in my future. But before that, thanks to all of you for believing me and supporting me and giving so much love in these 2-3 months. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye.